Ingredients required: brown bread, 1 cup corn, 1 cup shredded carrot, chopped onion, chopped coriander, fine chopped green chili, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of curd, a pinch of black pepper, salt to taste, and cooking oil. Grind the corn to make a thick paste. Heat oil in a pan and put ginger garlic paste into it. Add green chili and stir a while. Now add chopped onion and keep stirring. Add the paste of corn. Now add shredded carrot and stir very well. Add chopped coriander, salt to taste, and black pepper. Take it off the heat. Now add curd to it and the batter is ready. Make sandwiches and grill them in a toaster. Serve it with green chutney and amchur sauce.